Scott here with Surf and Shore. Today I'm going to take you through a little bit of rock tape. We're going to tape for a little bit of the elbow. So you can either have inside the elbow, outside the elbow. Tape is going to be the same. It just depends on where you put it, if you go inside or outside. I'm going to show you on the outside just because it's a little bit easier. So we're going to measure first and foremost. You want it just above the elbow crease to start with. So I pre-cut this one and then a little bit above the wrist. So from here, taking a little strip, tearing off a little chunk, then you're just gonna lay this down right above. So it's gonna kind of go right above that point of pain. Center of pain should be kind of right there. So get that hold down. From here, little pull to get this, and then all I'm gonna do is just nice and easy, lay down, stretch, till I get it to the end, and then no stretch at the end. From there, just kind of pat it down, and then try and rub it a little bit. Rubbing just helps to get the adhesive to activate a little bit, so it gets it to stick a little bit better. It'll stick a little bit longer. From there, that should already feel a little bit better, should feel at least a little bit different. And then we're gonna go with an unload strip. So with this one, we're tearing right in the middle. Same thing, it's gonna kind of be pre-cut, measured just to go about halfway around the elbow. And then from there, this one's a little bit harder to put on because you need to kind of stretch it out a little bit. But I'll usually just kind of put it in the middle and then stretch one side if I'm doing it on my own, stretch the other side, and then just kind of lay it down. It's a lot easier to have that unload strip if you can have somebody spread it out, put it straight over where the point of pain is. It's gonna help to kind of unload everything. And then from there, you can kind of vary angle. Sometimes if you go right over the elbow crease, it can get a little bit irritated with the skin. But if it does, take it off. When you're taking this off, I would recommend either baby oil or a little bit of rubbing alcohol to kind of put over it. But it can stay typically up to about 5 days, 7 days, some points, depending on how much activity, exercises that you're doing. Try it out, should help out a little bit. It's not gonna fix anything, but it's definitely something that you can try out to help alleviate some of the pain as opposed to taking